A few hundred miles above the ground, there are approximately 2,000 satellites in orbit. Each one circles the planet every 90 minutes, gathering data from the Earth below to support missions such as mapping, navigation, weather forecasting, climate monitoring, intelligence gathering, and a myriad of scientific applications. Unfortunately, at this distance, known as low Earth orbit, satellites can only see a small part of the Earth's surface beneath them, and they can only receive instructions and release the data they've collected when they're directly inside of an Earth station below. That's less than once an hour on average, and can be as little as once every day or two. Additionally, because of the speed at which the satellites travel, each pass over an Earth station only lasts 8 or 9 minutes. This is a problem because it restricts the immediacy and amount of the data that can be relayed down to Earth, causing severe limitations for missions that rely on instant information. SpaceLink has solved this. Our innovative network of satellites operates at a much higher altitude, known as medium Earth orbit. The extra distance allows us to see more of the Earth at any one time. By connecting our 4 satellites together, we create a network that is constantly inside of both low Earth orbit spacecraft and our Earth stations. Acting as the communications superhighway for the space economy, data can be relayed continuously to and from secure ground stations with no interruptions. Then it can instantly connect to a client's terrestrial network or cloud infrastructure with speed, security, and low latency. SpaceLink's network has abundant bandwidth to grow with the increasing demand for space data. It eliminates the need for clients to negotiate regulatory and spectrum licensing hurdles. It reduces the necessity to develop expensive ground systems, and it provides affordable connectivity for any space asset in low Earth orbit. Space stations will have always-on connection with the ground for operational data, scientific research output, and personal communications. Earth observation satellite operators will have immediate access to large quantities of data and imagery. SpaceLink's innovative satellite network provides the essential infrastructure for a new economy based on human spaceflight, space commerce, space exploration, environmental awareness, and security. Which is why we say that with SpaceLink, continuous, secure space connectivity is always in sight.